Wet. Well, I wish I had me one.
Okay.
We're gonna get you one, David.
Come on, I ain't losing this.
I'm working on it when you come down there. You pass one, get one. Oh, you go to it. Oh, I gotta bring out.
Surprise car pool.
Oh.
Thanks, Johnny. And well, that's opening.
So what's in it? It features exclusive dog, surprise pool, dance floor, black light headlights, adjustable seats.
Here.
And then you can show all the other dogs that's gonna be riding in the carpool coupe. Uh-oh, do we got seals out here?
She said, who did that? She looked around, who did that? I'm finna kill her. Somebody turn on.
And the pool can come out. Okay, we'll show all of that once I get it out.
Yeah, we got to turn it.
I think that's just.
See how much I gotta go through to get it done.
Woo! Look at the lights. Look at the pool. And then you set it back in there. There's black lights on it. They work on the dolls.
Really?
This is how it's set up. Okay, just look at the doll.
It's a stick shift too, dude. Where her seat
let's
at?
open this. I think the seat is in here.
Right.
Wow, it is so many surprises. Okay, quick.
So, I'm gonna open this. Yeah, the seat is in here.
It's a little bitty seat.
You already got more dolls than.
Oh, that's the car keys.
The key.
They go right there.
Yeah, the key can fit in there.
The keys in the ignition. With the little gold cat keychain.
Yes.
So
That's the
I
car.
believe
Should be the
this
car
is
seat.
Oh, put some water in there.
No. Not yet. Oh, that's
Okay,
the car
here's the
seat.
seat, and it's adjustable.
That should be this
So
seat.
you can push it in for a bigger doll, and you can pull it back out for the smaller doll. And when you want to put this pool
No, stop it.
That's not the right. It's got bacon. It's got everything on it. It is. Mom.
Look at her. Just look at her.
That might be him. You gotta go.
I had to make sure we don't lose it this time.
I got the seats in.
Is that the
And
real
now
deal?
let's see. Look right here.
Oh, sure.
It's the little drag racer, ultra rare.
Wow.
Look at her, drag racer. This is her license, so she can drive her little car. Just put that in here. And let's open the rest of the surprises.
Tomorrow say happy birthday. Sorry, you couldn't make it, and you hope that you like the presents from us.
Oh, yes, her little soda bottle. Can I have this? She's so cute. Thank you. And I believe there's a cup holder somewhere in here.
Just a little soda can.
Here's the cup holder. Now, where does this go again? It attaches somewhere on the car. So I'm just set that there.
But not yet.
Maybe to that. It look like, oh no, that don't look wide enough. Look like it wraps around.
So, and her cool little glasses.
Maybe just go like.
Johnny, look at Genesis. She got the hose pipe.
Her glasses
Oh, she let
pretty.
it go. I said, pick it up.
So I got one racer. She's an ultra rare, and look at her little bottle. She's
Little
so
drag
cute.
racer. She drag racing in a coupe for real.
Her glasses are pretty. track?
It's a pool. It's a dance floor and a pool. And you know that the one that you got her, the lights, this got black lights on it too, so she can use that to look at them.
Oh. If I move this, I can put the pool back in.
They look like neon under the black light. They glow.
Okay. Look at her, Granny. You better work again.
So yeah, she can like chill in the pool over here. Put the little cup holder right there. And put her cup in the cup holder. And that's what people. Or she can dance all the dance.
Got little seat belts.
Country walking around with a gun.
Like,
Oh, fuck.
I thought they would.
took her hand.
Pick you up. Why I pick you up? Pick you up. I gotta pick you up. Can I put you down? Pick you up. Pick you up. Pick you up.
I'm trying to pull out this.
That. I gotta watch this. You know she drowns in 2 feet, an inch of water.
Trash bag.
Oh,
I like that.
this is nice. This is nice. You can see my reflection.
It's so much bigger than I even thought.
Nice.
I thought it was going, when he got here, it was going to look all small. And I need the batteries for the car light.
Don't you got some more surprises? Or you don't open them up?
I opened them all. These are the headlights where you use the black light. I'm going to take it back out.
What kind of batteries they need?
I don't know. I guess you look on,
Look
like,
on the
bottom.
box.
I wipe the ride off. I should have
All right. So what's her name? Drag racer.
Drag racer?
Let's see her license. There's her license and her cup holder. And there's the pool and the dance floor and the lights. Gotta put some batteries in it so we can get those headlights rolling.
It's going to be great.
Nice, nice, nice. And introduce her again so we can see who her friends gonna be riding with her and go and put them in the car.
And the doll that came with it.
So we've got a LOL surprise, present surprise. And this is April.
And her name is Carrie. B.
That's why Journey be acting like she does. No.
All right. So Carrots, Carrots gonna ride shotgun.
No, they're not. You see what I'm saying?
And Carrots is rare.
Hand to the side.
April.
The handles. They're not broke.
I keep thinking
And she came in this cute little birthday box.
Jazz, move them things for you step on them.
And I'm just going
Move
to
the
put
little
her in
water
the
guns for
car.
y'all step on them. Yeah. God, they being really.
All right, who else rag? Who else rag? Who gonna be on the dance floor?
Just she wait, she see you come back in one holler. Well, it's glad you went shopping. Did you remember the
So
last
we
come back?
also have Drink Jar.
Okay,
And she is
this
a
tag.
LOL Lights Glitter. She came in this bottle.
Give me
And she is an ultra rare.
The one and only Lights. What is it? Light surprise.
Lights Glitter.
Lights glitter. The one and only ultra rare Lights glitter. LOL. Ah, yeah, she belongs on the dance floor.
and his shirt.
She's in the art club,
Yes.
and she's gonna look awesome under these black lights, right?
Oh, and we have another friend. I think she'll like the food.
And we need to find out her name. Why she didn't come up with like a name thing?
Her post been going since she found the place us put out. She got some stuff in
So
there.
we're just gonna put her in the pool.
No, it is early. Yeah. Well, soon, honey,
And she's
they
from
will be
Series
everybody
1.
shooting me.
And now we got all the LOLs partying in
And
the
so-
car.
Happy birthday. Whoop, whoop.
They shot my little,
Quick recap.
Make Granny laugh again.
What's this, Jayla?
So this is the LOL surprise fashion show on the go.
Fashion show on the go.
And here we go.
All right, open it up.
And there's my dog.
And there is the fashion show, runway, and what you got? Okay, so which one came with it?
Okay, it is the LOL Surprise Lights Glitter. This one right here. Oh wait, that came with it.
It came in that ball.
It came in this ball right here. LOL Surprise Light Glitter, and she
she
is
is
ultra rare.
Ultra rare.
So cute. Her
Drip
name is
drop.
Drop.
Oh, she is so cute. All
And
right.
then here's the one who came in it. I cannot remember her name, but I wanted her for a long time. And I'm really happy that I got her. She's so cute.
And that's series 1, right?
Mm-hmm. And this one is for my LOL surprise.
Present surprise.
Present surprise.
Lies is gonna be right in now.
Ta-da! She
Oh, where's her birthday hat?
Tina,
Put a birthday
you
hat
had something now. Keisha, somebody got something for Junior to put on dry. Where's it at? Jayla.
Happy birthday to Jayla.
We trying to get Jayla's spot. Take it in the truck and pick up our stuff.
Dre, why you do that?
It's a